there, my name is Enid, and I am an independent Norwick sales consultant. And the reason I got into this a few months ago, I got into this because a friend of mine invited me to a party to tell me about this special cloth. It's called an Envirocloth, and it's also a microfiber cloth. But the difference with this is you only need water to clean, no chemicals. That is awesome. I've been sick and tired of breathing in chemicals because our house is full of chemicals. But she introduced me to this Envirocloth. This is a microfiber, and most microfiber is 1/6 of a hair. This one is actually 200th of a hair. So this is a lot more denser, and it picks up so much better. And the other thing it has backlock, which is silver. And silver kills bacteria, germs, protein. Did you know protein is smaller than bacteria? This takes it all. So what I like to do is show you a demonstration, and it's about butter and Vaseline. Here's my butter. And it's starting to get melty here, but that's okay. We're going to put some butter. Oops, I think I put too much butter here. Here's the butter. Here is some petroleum jelly. Do you know how hard it would be to clean this if you didn't have something really good and dense to pick it up with? So I have a wet cloth already. You do not want to use it very, very wet. It has to be just moist. And because I have a small hand, I like to fold it smaller. This way I have more spots to use, more places to use. I don't have to use it I don't have to change and go get another cloth. I can change this. This has got so many different spots. So let me show you. This is butter. One swipe, and it's clean. You know how we can tell? Hey, look at that. It's squeaky clean. Let me turn this around, and we are going to do the Vaseline. Is it clean? If it had any oily residue, guess what? We wouldn't be hearing that. It is really, really clean. I use this every day. My counter, my kitchen, my floors. I use it to do the bathrooms. I use it to do the mirrors, the windows. It's called Envirocloth, meaning, where is it? Let me see. Oh, there it is. It means Envirocloth is for everything. And the neat way about cleaning this is all you have to do is rinse this in warm water, scrub it real good, rinse it. You see this little gadget here? That's how you dry it up. And I have them hanging in my kitchen and in my bathroom. And that's how I use it. Once it dries in 24 hours, you can reuse it several times before you put it in the washing machine with the rest of your clothes. So I just wanted to let you know this is one of my favorite cloths. I use it for everything, including the floor sometimes because I'm too lazy to go get the mop. Because actually Norwick also has a mop, but I'm lazy sometimes. So I just throw this on the floor and pretend I'm skating around, and guess what? My floors are clean. So that is why I love this cloth, and that's why I wanted to share this with you. So if you have any questions, any concerns, if you want anything that has to do with this cloth, give me a call. And I will share this with you and share others. Oh, I wanted to show you the other favorite. Hold on. Envirocloth comes in many colors. You see? This is also the travel package. So when I go to the airport, I used to wipe everything down with all these antibacterial products. Not any longer because Envirocloth cleans better than them. I now have my own private collection of my travel cloth, Envirocloth. So these are my new traveling partners. Would you like to know more? Let me know. This is Enid. I'll talk to you soon.